Andy, what did you build here?
A garage door.
Okay, what's the circuit that you built? Show me it.
It's pretty messy.
No, explain what you built.
Like when I push to this button, either open or close the door, and this the limit switch, which gonna stop the door when it's in the top.
Very nice. Let's see you go, Andy.
Here, if it's a limit switch here, it's gonna stop.
Very nice.
So, can I borrow a light? So this is the sensor. It's a sensor. When a kid runs through it, it's gonna cut the light. If it's had a light, it's gonna go down. It's go down, but a kid going through it, it's gonna pull over.
Fantastic, Andy. How long did this take you to design this?
5 hours.
5 hours. And did you draw a schematic diagram with this?
Yes.
Very nice, Andy. You explained everything. Thank you.